Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram Reel to grow your audience. So let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram application, and if you want to use Instagram Reel to grow our audience, the first thing we have to do is creating the reel first, and we can click on this plus button to create a reel. And after that we can click on reel option right here since we want to create a reel. And to create Instagram Reel, there will be a couple of options for us. You can take a new video to create a reel by clicking on this camera option, and you can also use Instagram templates by clicking on this template. Then other than that, you can upload a video from your gallery as the reel. And if you want to make your photos as reel, you just need to select the photo and make sure that you select multiple photos, because you won't be able to create a reel using one photo only. And for me, I'm just going to upload a video from my gallery. So wait guys, so this is the video that I want to make it as a reel. So just tap on the video, and after that we can edit the reel before we post the reel to our Instagram. So we can put tags, we can put sticker, we can also put a filter. And if you want to put music to your Instagram reel, you just need to click on audio button right here. And after you're done editing the reel, you just need to click on this button. Okay, and before we upload this reel, we can write a caption, and this is the key to grow your audience. Make sure that you write a detailed caption. You can add hashtag to make another account find your reel easily. So for example, I'm going to add this hashtag. So make sure that you add hashtag that related to your reel, like this. This hashtag make your reel can be found by another Instagram account easily, like this. And after you're done, you can click on share right here. You can also tag people and add location before you upload this reel. So just click on share. Alright guys, and this is the reel that we have just uploaded on our Instagram, and that's how we can use Instagram Reel to grow our audience. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.